Now we have got the strength value. Based on this strength, what we can do? We can decide how our progress bar should appear. So first let me make it a progress bar. That is, this meter needs to be a progress bar, right? So within this itself, let me make it a progress bar. $#meter, that is the ID of the development, and we want it to be a progress bar. So this will make the meter a progress bar. Okay, and what we can do now, based on the strength, we can change the progress bar's value. Okay, so after this, if, what we can do? If strength equals 0, what does it mean? It is not incremented at all, which means the password is too short. That is, the password does not contain the minimum number of characters. So what we can do? We can set some value for the progress bar. So $#meter dot progress bar. Within this, what should I do? I should set some value for the progress bar. Let the value be 20. Okay, it should be within curly braces. Value is now 20. Now what will happen? Let's see that. Let me refresh. Let me remove this. Okay, we are seeing something, and it is in blue color, right? So I want to change this to red color if there is no minimum number of characters and we want to display the message too short. I want to make it red colored. So if you remember, UI-progress bar-value is the class name for the filled section of the progress bar. Okay, so I can access $.UI-progress bar-value, and I can change its background, right? So I need to specify CSS, and I want to change the background to be red. So comma red. Now let's see how it appears. Let me save this. Let me refresh. Let me enter something. See, it is seen in red color. Okay. Next we want to decide when we have to make the password weak, good or strong. Okay, so the maximum value it can get is 5 and the minimum is 0. So we can decide if the strength is greater than 3, we can make it strong. If it is equal to 3, we can make it good, and if it is less than 3, we can make it weak. So here we can check else if strength less than 3, then we can specify it as weak. Okay, so let me copy this, paste it here, and for weak we can have 40 and the color let it be orange. Okay, and else if strength equals 3, in that case we can specify it as good. Okay, so let me copy this, paste it here, change the value to 70 and change this to blue. And finally else, that is strength is greater than 3 means we can paste it and set the value to be 100 and change this to green. Okay, and along with this what we want to display? We want to display the text as well. So what is the ID of it? It is result. So for this we can specify $#result. I want to set its HTML. Let the HTML be too short. That is, if the value 0 means it is not having the minimum number of characters, so the message can be too short. And I also want to change the text color to the same color, that is red. So color comma red, and let me copy this and paste it here. And strength is less than 3 means it is weak. That is how we have decided, and change the color to orange itself. And after this, if it is equal to 3 means it is good, and let me change the color to blue. Okay, and for this it is strong. That is, the strength is greater than 3 means it is strong, so we are displaying it in green color. Now let's see that. Let me refresh. Okay, here it is still not the type password. We will change it at the end. Let me delete this. There is one more thing. Even if there is no characters, we are seeing a message too short. Okay, so we need to change that as well. How we can do that? At the end, we can check one more condition. If password dot length equals 0, in that condition, what should we do? Let me copy this. Okay, paste it and change its value to 0. Then background to white, and I don't want any text color, and let me make the text empty. Okay, so this will also solve this problem. Let me refresh. Let me enter S, too short. Up to 5 characters it will be too short. Capital A, then 9. Why it is giving good? Because it has 5 characters, so the strength is 1. It has both small letters and capital letters, so strength is 2. It also contains a number, so strength is 3. If the strength is 3 means it will be blue and the value will be 70 and the text will be good. Okay, now let me enter one more 9, nothing happens. If I enter a special character, see, it became strong. How? It became greater than 3 because it contains more than 5, so strength is 1. Small letters and capital letters, so strength is 2. Then number, strength is 3, and also a special character, so strength is 4. Suppose I remove this one and this one, strength will be 3. Why? More than 5, strength 1, number, strength 2, and a special character, strength 3. Now if I remove the characters completely, see, we are seeing no message and nothing here. Okay, so we can change this back to type password. So here we have implemented a password strength meter from scratch using jQueryUI's progress bar. We have implemented the logic using regular expressions, and we have decided the strength. Once the strength is ready, we have decided when to make the password weak, good and strong. If the strength is equal to 0 means there are no minimum number of characters, so we are giving the message too short and displaying the progress bar in red color. And the strength is less than 3 means we have decided it to be weak. If it is equal to 3 means it is good, and if it is greater than 3 means it is strong. So we have displayed different messages based on the value of strength and also changed the background color of our progress bars filled section based on the strength. So we have implemented a password strength meter from scratch using jQueryUI's progress bar widget.